So if I had to start over, and this is sounding, I guess, arrogant, I don't think I'd really change much. The reason why I wouldn't change much is because I actually had a small company years ago, and I learned a lot of the things through that because, you know, I had a lot of ups and downs and failures along the lines where when we started this, I really seen what I screwed up over there and said, okay, these were the things that I did over there that I can't do here. And if we want to succeed and to grow on the growth that we want to do, these are the things that I need to implement. And one of the biggest things that we implemented right out of the gate was finding a mentor. Company's Prexis S10, they're out of Sarasota. Right, I mean, we had only been open maybe a month. I found out about them. I signed up for it right away. We went to a class. We've been with them for 2.5 years now. So I think that was the greatest thing I decided to do, is get involved with a mentor that is on that level, because that's where we want to be. And I started right away.
You know, we're both athletes, you know, I mean, maybe we were, not so much anymore. You have a coach, right? Personally, I think I would have maybe learned or understood more of KPIs and those numbers that are important to us. What I thought were the important numbers really weren't the important numbers, and figuring out some of that stuff. It's been great to have somebody teach us and show us some of that. I knew Chris's background as far as having his past business, so that was something he always said to me. He's like, look, I've made mistakes. I don't want to make those same mistakes. So out the get-go, we kind of implemented certain things. Me being from an AC background, I had seen in companies things that worked, things that didn't work. So I think that helped give us a leg up. I don't know if there's one thing per se that jumps out at me that, hey, we would have done different, because even some of the mistakes have helped us to evolve and grow and be better.
Also, with our relationship, there's never a blame game, okay? We both understand, hey, he may screw up, I may screw up, but okay, what did we do? Fix it and move forward. And do not repeat it again, and that's it.
I'm gonna say my piece, you say your piece, 5 minutes later.
We're done.
We're done and we're moving on.
There's times we'll be yelling at each other in the office, screaming, and people will be like, oh my God, what is happening? And literally 3 minutes later, we're completely fine. We know what our vision is, we know what the agenda is, and we don't let anybody or anybody block what we're doing to move forward.